the Mercedes-Benz W29 series, known for the iconic 500k and 540k models, represents an era of elegance, engineering prowess, and luxury. Produced in the mid-1930s, these cars symbolized power and prestige, crafted for those with a taste for the extraordinary. The first model, the 500k, debuted in 1934. Powered by a supercharged 5-liter engine, it produced 160 horsepower and could reach over 160 kilometers per hour. With its sweeping fenders, elegant grille, and handcrafted details, the 500k was both a performance machine and a piece of art. In 1936, the 540k took the W29 series even further. This version, with a larger 5.4-liter engine and 180 horsepower, retained the luxury of the 500k while adding more speed and power. Though fewer than 450 units were made, this model became a favorite among elite collectors. The W29s weren't just about power, they were built with exceptional craftsmanship. Interiors were typically adorned with fine leather and wood, while independent suspension and advanced braking systems made these cars both smooth and nimble on the road. Today, these models are celebrated for their timeless design and engineering brilliance. They stand as testaments to Mercedes-Benz's commitment to luxury, performance, and innovation. These cars weren't just modes of transportation, they were masterpieces of the automotive world. Symbols of status and craftsmanship, they continue to remind us of a time when driving was as much about the experience as it was about the destination. This video was produced and presented by Marzban-Benz, where the passion for Mercedes-Benz never ends.